Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So I personally feel that there is a sense of neglect towards non-clinical branches of dentistry. And the reason is very obvious because there is not as good amount of money as it is with the clinical branches, okay? So is that actually true? And what are the scopes after doing MDS in oral pathology? What are the job opportunities and what is the curriculum of oral pathology MDS? All these things I'll be talking in this video. Before we dive into this video, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing it because this channel is all about dentistry and dentist, and I create videos which add meaning to your life and your career. Sincere thanks to Dr. Prashant Rao for sharing this valuable information. Thank you so much for your time and advice, sir. So now any further ado, let's get started. So today in my talk with Dr. Prashant Rao, I get to know that a person who is opting for oral pathology should have a deep interest, and you must have that research mindset or a liking towards research, okay, to know something new, to know some disease in depth, then and then you can like this field or this subject, okay. It is slightly different than we can say a pure dentistry where you do RCTs and crown preps and extractions, and okay, so it is quite a different branch. So what we often forget is, along with oral pathology, forensic odontology is also an integral and important part of this branch, okay. So in this 3 years where you learn disease on the molecular level, you learn lot of laboratory work and pathogenesis and pathology of different diseases and lesions, you also learn about forensic odontology. So guys, before you choose any branch, you have to have that deep understanding and that interest towards that branch, okay. Then and then you can succeed in that branch. So what is oral pathology basically? I would like to say that histopathology is the gold standard of diagnosis of any lesion, right? You will agree with that, right? Because all the definitive diagnosis of any lesion or any disease comes through histopathology. So first of all, you need to have that curiosity, that liking towards this subject, okay? And now let's talk about what is there in the 3 years curriculum of MDS oral pathology. First of all, in the first year, they have basic subjects like any other clinical branch, okay. So first year is of basic subjects and you have to do a lot of lab work, of course. And here in this 3 years, you study the disease or the lesion at molecular levels. You have to study the disease or the lesion in the most specific way or in the very much detailed manner, okay, unlike any other dentist. During this 3 years, you have different postings in a medical college, in general surgery department, in general medicine department, in the department of general pathology, okay. Apart from this, if your college allows, okay, or if your college have a tie-up with any good institution or government colleges, then you also get postings for some period of time into different government hospital and different government bodies. So now let's talk about opportunities and scopes after doing MDS in oral pathology. A lot of students have this confusion that after doing MDS in non-clinical branches, can we open our clinic? Can we practice general dentistry? Yes, you can. Just like any other branch, okay. After doing MDS in oral pathology, you can start up your own clinic, you can join government or private college, and you can even go for consultation. Now the most important thing over here is, after doing MDS in oral pathology, there are great chances of research work or PhD abroad, okay. In India, we don't have enough infrastructure, enough job opportunities for oral pathologists right now. You can also join or open tobacco intervention clinic, okay. Regarding government jobs, just like any other branch of dentistry, they do have vacancies for oral pathologists. If you have liked this video, please hit the like button. It will motivate me to create more videos. And if you still have any queries or doubts, please write it in the comment below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.